Kitty's Fairy Tale Theater is proud to present Grinder, Genie, and the Magic Lamp.
Once upon a meow and a very long time ago, there was an old fisherman who was very, very poor. Hurry, Grandpa! We're hungry!
There. A piece for each of you.
Yum! All right!
Yum!
Savor it, children. This is all we have to eat today. I wonder who that could be. Sultaness catnip. What a pleasant surprise.
Can the fishtails, Grandpa. I'm here for the money.
Money? We already paid our rent this month.
Rates went up, Pops. You owe me exactly twice what you paid before.
Twice?
Uh-oh.
But we can't afford that.
If you don't pay up by the end of the day, you'll lose your boat and go to prison. Your children will become my slaves. And did I forget anything? And you'll have to do homework every night.
Oh, no,
I'll be back.
We have to have the money by tonight. We'll never make it.
We'll help, Grandpa. Don't worry.
Lots and kebabs.
Fresh lemonade! Beat the heat! Got your fresh lemonade I can't wait to show Grandpa.
Kitty, the bag!
Oh, no! What do we do?
Maybe I can reach down.
No!
Help!
I've got you!
Come on! There's one! After it! Got it! Oh!
What is this place?
I don't know, but it sure is dirty. Oh! Hey! There's writing on the slant!
You rang? I mean, you rubbed, Master?
Who is this weird guy?
I don't know. I wish we were out of here.
As you wish, Master!
Help! Yay!
Just run. Where'd you come from? How'd you get in here? Guards! Guards!
We're in trouble now.
How'd we get in here?
I wish I knew.
Look around!
Do it, Sam!
Grinder Genie is my name. Granting wishes is my game.
I wish.
They're out by the hot tub! Get them!
I wish we could just split.
Well, you asked for it.
I didn't mean that. I wish you'd put us back together.
You got it, Master!
Oh, no! I wish you'd put us together right.
Oh, why didn't you say so in the first place?
I don't care if they're in 200 pieces! Arrest them!
We've got to get out of here! I wish this carpet could fly!
Sorry, One master at a time, please.
Do it! Blast us out of here!
No problem, Master!
This genie can be dangerous, Sam. I wish he'd grant our wishes right.
Read the instructions!
Wish at your own risk.
I get it. We have to be very careful how we word our wishes.
You're right! Hey, Genie!
Thanks, Master.
Genie, I wish we had a flying carpet we could control.
Of course, Master!
Thanks, Genie. Come on, fasten your seatbelts, kitty. You too, Genie. Let's make tracks. I wish you'd take us to Grandpa's boat, Genie.
Hi, Grandpa.
Bless my whiskers. What's this? A flying carpet?
Wowzers!
All our problems are over, Grandpa.
Look, we found a magic lamp with a genie in it. Can it make us some food? I'm hungry. Me too.
Sure. Hey, Genie.
Yes, Master?
I wish you'd whip up some chow for us.
Sure. What'll you have?
I want a hot dog. Ooh! I'll have a chili dog.
Genie, let's start all over.
Where is that old fisherman and his brats? I want that boat! I'm impressed. Give me those. Who could it be? A visiting prince, I'll bet. I don't believe it.
Here's the rent. Paid in full.
Where'd you get this? Something's going on here, and I'm gonna find out what it is.
I'd like some music. How about a rock concert right here on the boat?
Do your stuff.
Ooh, a genie. I must have him for myself. This is my chance.
Oh, no! Sultan has got him out the lamp!
Abandon ship. To get us away from here, Sam.
After that lamp, Sam!
Ha! Now I can have anything I want. Make wishes at your own risk, eh? Well, if those buffoons can figure it out, I can too.
Yes, Master. Yo! Master! What happened to you? You look awful.
I'm your new master, dummy. Now listen up. I wish I had a ton of gold.
Yes, my new master.
Get this off of me!
Master! Am I glad to see you?
I should hope so. You could be stuck with that nasty sultaness for a master.
Nasty, am I? I'll show you nasty. I wish. Now, make him let go. I wish it.
You idiot!
Hey, Sultaness. If you were the genie, you could make all the wishes you want and do it right.
Not a bad idea. Genie, I wish I were the genie.
It is done, Master! Hey! I'm just a regular guy. I can take a vacation. Thanks, kitty.